guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally doing a huge makeup haul, and what makes this extra exciting is almost every product out here is new for me. Except for some of the products that I've been already using, I'm trying everything else for the very first time. So if you enjoy first impressions, packaging reactions and just chatting about new makeup, stick around because this is going to be a long video. So grab your coffee, grab your water, get comfortable and let's get started. Okay, so I'm not going in any particular order. Let's start with this Mars 4-in-1 brush. This is such a smart travel brush and super compact and opens into four, amazing for touch-ups. And I have this Rare Beauty Positive Light Silky Touch Highlighter. I absolutely love the silky smooth finish. It blends like a dream. It glides on the skin like a dream. It looks absolutely gorgeous. You should definitely have this shade, which is Exhilarate. I love, love, love this shade. This is my current favorite product now. I also got Makeup Forever Ultra HD powder. This is my absolutely fave powder. I love, love, love this powder. And I use this powder regularly. So I got this again. Next up, I have K Beauty Illuminating Liquid Luminizer. And this is enriched with carrot oil. So I was really excited to try this out. You know, this gives you a very nice, soft and nourishing glow. I love the texture of this already. Then I have this Maybelline Sun Kissed blush in the shade Pink Mirage. This shade is so fresh and perfect for giving that lifted cheek moment. And I'm wearing this shade right now. And here comes the Bronson Professional Nail Art Brush Tool kit. These tiny brushes are perfect for my little nail art obsession. Very, very precise. Then I got this Maybelline Colossal Mascara. This is a cult classic mascara and this is a must-have one. But I bought it after ages. Next up, I have K Beauty Lash Maximizing Mascara. This is Lash Maximizer Mascara enriched with castor oil plus vegan biotin. So that's why I was really excited to try this out because the packaging says 94% saw instant lift and length in the lashes. Then I got this Swiss Beauty Primer. This feels very smooth and lightweight, something I would reach out for on a natural makeup day. And I think this is extremely affordable as well. Then I got my hands on this Maybelline Superstay Up to 30-Hour Flex Powder Foundation. This launch has been everywhere. Finally bought it. Let's see how long wearing it is. And I'm in the shade 220. Then I got this Faces Canada Mascara. And this is lightweight, enriched with almond oil, and it's great for dense lashes. I picked this up because Faces eye products never disappoint. Next, I got this K Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I heard so many good things about it, so I was really, really excited to try this out. And I'm wearing this foundation today. This is K Beauty HD Loose Powder Vanilla, and I think I have used this for the under eye brightening, and banana one, yes, and the banana one for all the other areas of my face. This is a great powder. You should definitely try this out. Texture wise, this feels very soft and nice and natural. Then I got this Maybelline Colossal Mascara. This is a cult classic mascara and this is a must have one, but I bought it after ages. Next up, I have K Beauty Lash Maximizing Mascara. No, this is Lash Maximizer Mascara enriched with castor oil plus vegan biotin. So that's why I was really excited to try this out because the packaging says 94% saw instant lift and length in the lashes. Then I got this Swiss Beauty Primer. This feels very smooth and lightweight, something I would reach out for on a natural makeup day. And I think this is extremely affordable as well. Then I got my hands on this Maybelline Superstay Up to 30-Hour Flex Powder Foundation. This launch has been everywhere. Finally bought it. Let's see how long wearing it is. And I'm in the shade 220. Then I also got K Beauty HD Loose Banana Powder. I love the tone and the finish and the feel of this powder. Then I got this Faces Canada Mascara. And this is lightweight, enriched with almond oil, and it's great for dense lashes. I picked this up because Faces eye products never disappoint. Next, I got this K Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I heard so many good things about it, so I was really, really excited to try this out. And I'm wearing this foundation today. This is K Beauty HD Loose Powder Vanilla. And I think I have used this for the under eye brightening, and banana one, yes, and the banana one for all the other areas of my face. This is a great powder. You should definitely try this out. Texture wise, this feels very soft and nice and natural. Then I got this Rene Cosmetics Volumax Mascara. This is a new brand for me. I mean, I'm trying out this brand for the very first time. The name itself is like very tempting, which is Volumax Mascara, and it says it gives extra volume lash lengthening, and this is enriched with vitamin E. So I'm super excited to try this out. Then I got this Mars Artist Arsenal brush set. It has 6 beautiful brushes. I needed new set of brushes, and these feel soft and the handles are quite lightweight. Then I got this Maybelline Sunkissed blush in the shade Downtown Rush. What really caught my attention was, for a blush, this is like a really unique shade. So I'm super excited to try this out. Then I have this K Beauty lip tint, and this is enriched with grapeseed oil plus red raspberry. This is in the shade Honey. This is such a beautiful everyday shade. Will definitely stay in my bag. Next up, we have Nykaa Wanderlust Dreaming of Paris. This has notes of champagne and berries. This smells so soft, so pretty, very, very wearable. Then here's another product from K Beauty. This is K Beauty Lip Hydrating Oil. Super glossy and hydrating without any stickiness. Now, this is also from K Beauty. This is 24-hour Kohl Kajal. It says that it is a 24-hour Kajal. So let's see if this is really long lasting. I wanted to try a nice brown Kajal since a very long time. This is also from K Beauty. This is their illuminating liquid luminizer. This is a gorgeous shade and the name is Rose. It has reflective finish, so I'm super excited to try this out. Next up, we have this mascara from Stays Cosmetics. This is a brand that I have never tried before, so I wanted to try this out. And also, as I said, I love a nice volumizing mascara. And it says that this is also waterproof. So let's see how this performs. Then I got this Real Technique eye makeup brush set. I absolutely loved the packaging. I have never tried out this brand for makeup brushes because I usually use Sigma Beauty brushes and I'm absolutely obsessed with Sigma. But I wanted to try Real Techniques since a really long time, and this is their Everyday Eye Essentials brush set. Super excited to try this out. Next up, I have this mascara. It is from a new brand. I absolutely loved it when I tried it in an offline store. You should definitely check this out. Then I have this Fit Me Poreless Oil Control Powder. The Fit Me range is quite popular in Maybelline, so I wanted to try this out. And I think this is going to be my touch-up compact now. This is very handy for shine control. Then I have these two gorgeous glosses from Makeup Revolution. And I have to tell you, I'm absolutely obsessed with these two glosses. You have to check them out. Perfect for a nice soft glam look. I love everything about them. Then I have these two products from Mars Cosmetics in the shade Caramel Crunch and Magic Pop. I absolutely love the packaging. I'm super, super excited to try them out. And again from Mars Cosmetics, I got a lot of lip liners for me, and I'm again super excited to try them out. I think I have all the shades now. And that's not it. I have this PSE 24-hour lip liner kit. I'm genuinely super excited to try this out. I think it has a whole set of everyday colors, very practical, gorgeous lip liners. Next up, I have these amazing Maybelline Super Stay lipsticks. This is in the shade Delicate. This is Voyager. Then I have Pioneer, Seductress, Founder, Entrepreneur, Groundbreaker, Insider, Lover, Inspire. I think I should, film a separate video, like a separate review video for these lipsticks. Let me know if you would like me to. I picked up so many shades because, these are like long wear, reliable, and honestly, I love the formula. Next up, I have another blush from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Hot Pink Shimmer, shade number 31. This is perfect for those sun-kissed cheeks. Then from Stays Cosmetics, I have this 3-in-1 lipstick. I'm super excited to try this out. I think this is my second product from that brand. I also got this Nykaa glazed lip oil. This is super hydrating and glossy, perfect for minimal makeup days. Super excited to try this out too. Then I got this Biolage Smooth Proof Avocado Deep Smoothing Serum because I've really damaged my hair after I colored them recently. And after this, I got some more lip liners, and this is from the brand Miss Claire. I love all the shades. Then I have this another lip formula from Mars Cosmetics in the shade Candy Crush. So I have total these 3 shades. Then I also have this 24-hour long-lasting kajal from K Beauty. This is in the classic black color. Super curious to know its staying power. Then I have these Glide-On lip liners from Inside Cosmetics, and I'm super excited to try out all the shades. and this has 12 gorgeous shades. I wanted to try out some nice colorful kajals since a really long time. I'm wearing one right now. This is in the shade green, and I'm wearing that kajal as an eyeliner. And these kajals are from Faces Canada. I love all the gorgeous colors. Now I don't know where is the fourth one, which is the green one, but this is a beautiful shade of blue, unique gray, brown. Love, love, love all the colors. Then I also got my hands on Maker Forever blush, and this is in the shade coral. I'm trying out this shade for the very first time. This is my most fave brand, and this looks absolutely fresh and blends beautifully. Then I wanted to try out this mist and fix spray from Forever 52. I have used other products from this brand before, but I think I've never tried mist and fixing spray from Forever 52. I bought two without trying even one because I think their products usually perform well on long days. From my most fave makeup brand, Makeup Forever, I got a sculpting powder as well. This is a must have sculpting powder. If you're looking for an option in a luxury or in a high end brand, then you should definitely check this out. Next up, I have this another one from K Beauty. This is their Velvet Cream Multi-Use Blush, and this is enriched with green tea extract. This is very, very smooth, and this is a gorgeous shade. I think this is perfect for almost every skin tone, from fair to dark. And the name of the shade is Awaken. Okay, so my most fave eyeshadow palette is and has been from Sigma Beauty, but I wanted to try Huda Beauty this time, and I finally got my hands on Huda Beauty Icy Nude Eyeshadow Palette. I genuinely wanted to see what the hype is all about, and oh my god, I do not regret buying this palette at all. It has gorgeous colors. I think I'll need some time to take this out. I am absolutely obsessed with this palette, and I've ordered another palette from the same brand, so that I'll talk about in my next video. Okay, so we are not done yet. I have this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. This lasts up to 24 hours. This is smudge proof, waterproof. You should definitely check out this kajal. I think this is great for those nice smoky eye looks. And then I have this long wear color rich lip gloss from Insight Cosmetics, and I also have this Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I am wearing this mascara right now. And then I have this gorgeous Candy Crush Candylicious Lip Gloss. And I also wanted to try this Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm wearing this concealer right now, but I'm really not so sure about this shade because I think this is a bit lighter for my skin tone, but surprisingly, they don't have enough shades in this. But the coverage is nice. And then I have this Kiro Beauty's Glossfinity Creme Gloss range. I personally love, love, love their lip products. This is the shade Rose Petal. Then I have this Kiro Beauty's Kajal. I genuinely love a lot of products, of Kiro Beauty. So I wanted to try out their Gel Kajal. It says this is Hyper Lasting Gel Kajal with Rose Ship Oil. So yeah, excited to try this one. And then I also got this another Bronson Professional Nail Art Brush Tool. I don't know why I got two of them. I'm not even a pro. And also this reminds me of that I am going to film my nail paint haul as well because I've got a bunch of nail paints and I'm super excited to show you all. This is the shade, okay, I forgot the shade's name, but this is from OPI. So I'm going to post that video super soon. And this is a free product that I've received. This is Olaplex Bond Intense Moisture Mask. I'm yet to use this, but very excited because my hair, they're really damaged right now. And that's the entire makeup haul, everything I picked up, almost all first time products. If you want a full face using only new makeup or a ranking video or swatches of all the lipsticks or lip liners, let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you in my next video.